Diane and Denmark here, rah, 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 and welcome back. This is day 5 of our New Year reset for 2026. We are working towards a better life. I'm giving you daily prompts. And this week we've already got four wins. We cleared off a surface, we've put things away, we've cleaned a spot that was bothering us. And yesterday we were looking at our outfit for today, adding a little extra. I've got mine on today, and we're just continuing our momentum, continuing the process here. So you ready for today, day 5? Another small practical win today. I want you to do some laundry, okay? One small laundry action. So you can be putting on a load of laundry or putting it in the tumble dryer. You can be folding a load of laundry that's been loitering for a while on the sofa. We're not gonna think, oh, we'll do that later, or that's going to take hours. You're going to stop the video and go and do it. Because laundry can build up without us noticing, and it really weighs down on us, as we've always got it in the back of our mind. So we're just taking a few minutes to deal with it. One small laundry action. You don't have to tackle everything at once. We're just moving it one step further. And if you want tips on simplifying your laundry routines, because I've done that over the years, I've really simplified the whole process. I've got videos about that, but do not think that you have to go and watch a video right now. No, you're not allowed to watch YouTube videos until you've done today's task. And once you've done today's task, I want you to give yourself a little pat on the back. You can comment here and say, yes, I did it. If you don't feel like commenting, that's fine. The main thing is that you just show up here, join me at the kitchen table every day, and feel those little wins beginning to give you momentum. I hope you're beginning to see some process here. Have you had some little wins this week? What feels good to you? But don't stop for too long. I'm going to send you off in your merry way, and join me back here for day 6 next Monday. We'll be into it again. But right now, off you go with a rah, rah, rah.